I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, and I'll be showing you how to use the flashlight, the LED flashlight on the multifunctional module. So if you have the 7P, then you do know you have the multifunctional module available for you, and that includes a light. So to use it, you have to attach it to the gimbal, and the gimbal needs to have enough charge, and you should see this standby light light up. Now, at the top, there are two buttons, and on these two buttons, the button at the front near the LED light is the one you use to light up the LED flash. Okay, so like I said, it has to be attached, and then you want to press on that button, and that's going to turn on the light. And you can keep pressing it, and it's going to increase the brightness of that light. So you can see that's brighter, brighter, even brighter, and then eventually it goes off. Okay, so you press on it again, it turns on again at the lowest brightness, and then you can increase the brightness by continuing to press like that until it goes. Now with that light on, let me just turn it on again and make it a bit brighter. You can also change the color temperature using the other button at the top there. So the button slightly at the back, if you press it, you can see it adjusts the color temperature. So you can see that's completely white light. Then you go to that warm light, and then it goes less warm, then it goes to completely white light, and then it goes back. It's just a cycle that goes round and round and round, different color temperatures. Okay, and this also works if you put it on the other way around. So if I detach the multifunctional module and attach it the other way around, facing the other direction, now the button is at the bottom. The buttons are at the bottom, and I can tap on them. I can basically press to light up. You should be able to see the light somewhere here. And again, I can still change the color temperature. Okay, so it works both ways around. So that is basically how to use that light. Now I'm going to show you one more trick. You can actually use the wheel, this wheel right here. If you long press on it, it turns on the light, and you can scroll to adjust the brightness of that light. So you can see that increases the brightness and that reduces the brightness. So that's one way you can do that, and you can turn it off by long pressing on it again, and it's gonna turn off. So that's just an extra trick of how to use the light or the LED flashlight of your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P multifunctional gimbal. Multifunctional module. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.